Good morning. My name is Desiree B. Kalagi, taking the degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at International School of Asian the Pacific, fourth year student. Today, I am going to discuss about IT project management. First, what is IT project? IT project is information technology project that deals with IT infrastructure, information systems, or computer. What are the examples of IT projects? IT projects examples are the following: web development, software development, mobile app development, network configuration, software implementation, hardware installation, database management, IT emergency recovery, application development, automation system, includes logistics, chain supply, Internet of Things, and many others. Modeling system includes cognitive science, 3D modeling, space modeling, etc. Game development, entertainment media, smart farming includes agriculture, aquaculture, breeding, gene matching or selection, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Since we are in the topic of IT project, we are now going to discuss about what is IT. IT is information technology that store, retrieve, transmit, and process information or data. Within the context of business operations, information systems is a way to communicate computer and people. What is project management? Project management specific goal should have meet the success criteria in a specific time, which the achieve project goals within the constraints usually with the project documentation, created the development process and primary goal of scope, time, quality, budget, to optimize the allocation of the necessary inputs and apply them to meet the predefined objectives, to create the better transformation of the applications or the development system of the project. Now that we have defined what IT means and project management means, we have now to combine the two. IT project management. IT project management is about planning, scheduling, execution, and monitoring and reporting of IT projects. IT project management is most likely from international investors or stakeholders. Why? Because they select technical expertise from different locations or different members to build a team. So, remote teams are technically separated through geographical locations and have different time zones. But they are selected through their expertise, related or similar projects to perfectly execute that project or to perform a better to perform to provide a perfect or perform better than others. So this so these are the skill set of IT project manager. They are the problem solver, risk manager, organizer, negotiator, leader, time manager, and communication. First, I'm going to discuss about problem solver. Sila yung una na magtatalaga kung ano ba yung issue, i-address yung issue sa buong team at hahanapan agad ng solusyon yung problema. Sila rin yung risk manager. Ang risk, ito yung mga sitwasyon na pwede o hindi pwedeng mangyari. Pero ito yung mga potential risks na nakikita mo bago ma-execute yung project. Risk manager, risk is risk means may or may not happen. Third is the organization. They are the organizer. They organize everything, who work this project, or what time this project will be submitted to. Everything is being organized by the IT project manager. They are also the negotiator. They negotiate the resources with prioritizing the tasks to be done with a given time frame, with the availability to be involved in the system. Negotiator between the feedback or the user, negotiator with the programmers, and they are also the negotiator between the stockholders and the investors. Number 5, they are the leader. They have the promising leadership and decision making, control the people with their related tasks. Number 6, time management. With accordance with everything with time, since time is always ahead of everything, time is also a resources. Time is equals to money. So therefore, you need to finish this specific task to complete the project in a given time. Number 7, and most especially important, communication. Since everyone is in a different locations geographically and have different time zones, communication is the key for every members and to finish the IT project, because communication conveys the message to the group. So therefore, the IT project manager communicates across the entire group and communicates with the investor, communicates with the users. So if the message is blue, and then everyone should understand that the color is blue. So the IT project manager will convey the message through the boss, through the user, and through the group, IT project group. So now we are going to talk about IT project management. Now we are going to talk about IT procurement management, which must resources related to the partnership or the investor, track record, previous and current clients, and financial sound of the company. This also includes the bill of the materials. Number 2, project schedule. Project schedule is when to finish, what to finish, set of schedules in tasks, and utilize the resources. Number 3, we should always have minutes of the meeting. Recording of meeting, kung ano ba talaga yung pinag-usapan, sino yung in charge, sino ang magsasolve ng specific task. Issue logs. Issue logs are record file where issue is found within the project, what is the issue, who to solve the issue, what time to finish the issue. Number 5, change of request. Change of request is always a documented changes from the users or their feedbacks, and also from the programmers through the troubles that they are solving. And changes can affect the entire project, time, increase resources, and must be processed according to the company regulation. Number 6 is sign-off documents, which means that accepted means the requirement documents agreed on, delivery upon the user signature, are all deliverable must be accounted in signing off. But most of all, IT project manager had the highest salary in terms of That's all. Thank you.